Hey everybody, my name is Miss Miller, and today we are going to be going over a fairly straightforward mathematical equation, introduction to multiplication. So I'm going to give you one equation, and I'm going to go over that in depth, and I'm going to go over 3 separate ways to solve this equation. This is because many different students learn, or every student actually learns different than another. So, not everybody is going to learn the same exact way as another one of my students. So the equation that we are going to start out with is 2 times 3. So the first way to solve this problem is, I'm going to show you right here. So you are going to draw 2 big circles, preferably next to each other, because this is because of the 2 in the problem. It's the first number in the problem. So if you wanted to reverse it, and if you did 3 times 2, you would have 3 circles instead of 2. So the second step that you do is regarding the second number, which is 3. So you're going to put 3 smaller circles in each of the 2 circles. And the last step that you are going to do is you are going to take these 3 circles and add them together. And you will get your answer, which is 6. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get your answer, which is 6. So that is the first way to solve that problem. The second way to solve this problem, 2 times 3, is to count up by 3s. So I'm pretty sure that you guys have already learned counting by 3s, counting by 2s, counting by 5s, and such. So for 2 times 3, it would go 3, 6, 9, 12. So because you have 2 times 3, you are going to only go up 2. So 1, which is 3, and then 2, which is, again, your answer, which is 6. So that is the second way to solve that problem. And the third way to solve 2 times 3 is to kind of look at it with a different perspective. So for me personally, how I learned how to do 2 times 3, I used addition. So you would do, 2 times 3 is essentially 2 plus 2 plus 2. That equals 6. So because you have a 3 here, you are going to do 2 3 times, which is 6. So let's say I reversed the equation and I did 3 times 2. Then you would have 2 3s. So you would have 3 plus 3, which is, again, your answer, which is 6. So those are the 3 methods I have for solving this equation. I am going to give you one example following up with that. And that is going to be an easier one. Well, I wouldn't say it's easier, but I'm going to go over it not as in-depth as I did the first time. So it's just going to be like a run over. So let's say I have 4 times 3. So again, for the first way to solve this problem, you would use this first number here. You would do 4. So you would draw 4 big circles. And then the second number, which is 3, determines how many circles you are going to draw in these bigger circles. So because the number is 3, you will draw 3 small circles in each of the 4 circles. So you would add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you would get your answer, which is 12. So you essentially just add all of the mini circles that you added into the big circles, and you get your answer. And again, the second way you would solve this equation is you would count by 3s or 4s. It doesn't, you can reverse the equation if you want to. I personally like to count by 3s better because it is similar to our original problem. So you would do 4 plus 4 plus 4. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing the last, well, let's do the last way first. Or second, my bad. I will go over the other way last. So for this problem is the one where you have to have a different perspective on things. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Because of that 3. You would add 4 3 times because of that 3. So then, again, you get 12. And vice versa if you wanted to put 3 times 4. And for the last way, I did it a little bit backwards. I'm sorry about that. You would, so 4 times 3. So this one you would count by 3s. So you would do 3, 6, 9, 12. And because of this 4, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is, again, your answer, which is 12. So there you have it. I would go over a couple more examples with you, but I really don't want to make this video super long, so I really hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.